Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lac Le Jeune is a small and scenic lake community located about 30 kilometers south of Kamloops, British Columbia. Surrounded by rolling hills, forests, and open grasslands, the area is known for its quiet, natural beauty and outdoor recreation. The lake itself sits at an elevation of more than 1,000 meters, giving the region cooler temperatures and snowy winters compared to the nearby Thompson Valley. Today, Lac Le Jeune is a peaceful destination where visitors come to relax and enjoy the landscapes of the interior plateau. Long before modern recreation developed here, the area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people. Indigenous communities lived throughout the region for thousands of years, traveling through these highland valleys for hunting, fishing, and gathering. Lakes like Lac Le Jeune were valuable seasonal resources, providing fish and fresh water, while also serving as natural travel routes between larger river systems in the interior of British Columbia. European exploration and settlement in the region began in the early 19th century during the fur trade era. Traders from the Hudson's Bay Company traveled through the Thompson region in the early 1800s, establishing trading posts and routes that connected the interior with coastal markets. Over time, ranching and small-scale farming began to develop across the surrounding plateaus and valleys as settlers recognized the area's potential for grazing and agriculture. In the 20th century, Lac Le Jeune gradually became known as a recreational destination. Fishing enthusiasts were drawn to the lake for its populations of rainbow trout, which thrive in the cool, clear waters. Cabins, lodges, and small resorts began appearing around the shoreline as more people discovered the quiet setting and easy access from Kamloops. Over time, the area developed into a popular retreat for both summer and winter visitors. A major milestone came in 1956 with the creation of Lac Le Jeune Provincial Park. The park was established to protect the natural shoreline and provide public access to the lake. Facilities such as campsites, picnic areas, and boat launches made it easier for visitors to enjoy the area while helping preserve its natural environment for future generations. The park and surrounding community are especially well known for outdoor activities throughout the year. In the warmer months, people come to fish, paddle, hike, and relax along the lake. During winter, the area transforms into a popular destination for cross-country skiing and snowshoeing, with trails winding through the surrounding forests and open meadows. The seasonal changes give Lac Le Jeune a unique character that draws visitors back year after year. Today, Lac Le Jeune remains a quiet escape within easy reach of Kamloops. With its clear lake waters, mountain views, and rich natural surroundings, it offers a glimpse of the landscapes that have shaped life in this region for thousands of years. The area continues to balance recreation, conservation, and community, making it one of the interior's most peaceful and welcoming outdoor destinations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.